Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up HTML Emmet in VS Code on our Django project like this. Type exclamation mark and press tab, just wow, and then div, just wow, h1, just run. Okay guys, so without waste time, let's get started. How can I do that? So now it's clean, just set up within 1 minute. Okay, and first we need to install a extension in VS Code. Django 4x is named. Then copy this code. Okay, then click setting icon and then click setting, then click here and then just paste here and press Ctrl S, just save. And then just if I try type exclamation mark and then okay, and then just press div and tap h1, tap p, tap, just wow guys, just wow. I hope you understand, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and never miss another great video. Bye bye guys, have a sweet day.